Hello everyone, today is Wednesday and I just got back from work. It's about 5 p.m. I'm just waiting for the kids to get home. Right now I am making taquitos, and like I promised, I will be making a cleaning my pantry video for you guys today. So stay tuned, it will be included in this video. So right now I'm just making taquitos because I'm pretty sure the kids are going to be hungry when they come home. So I'll see you guys when I am done making the taquitos and when the kids are here. So I'll see you guys a little later. Here are my taquitos. I'm already done cooking. And I just minced the salsa. I don't know if you guys can see it right there under the avocado. And then I put a big chunk of avocado. And that is my taquitos. So I'll see you guys in a little bit when I am going to do the pantry organization and cleanup. Okay, so this is how the pantry looks right now. It is a complete mess, as you guys can see. And on this side I still have this little pocket thingy going on, but it's not organized at all. So let's get to organizing and cleaning the pantry. So this is the end result. Let me just show you how it looks. I really like how it turned out. It's nice and organized. So up here, as you guys can see, I have the iced tea, the protein, the flour, and the cereals. Right here I have all the canned goodies that we like to keep. Right here I have some pinto beans and brown rice and white rice because my daughter loves brown rice. Right here I just have cookies, chia and quinoa, what are those? Chips. And then sweets over here. Over here I have all of my teas. They are almost all of them sleepy teas because I tried them all. Because I have a hard time sleeping, so I've tried all those and none of them work, unfortunately. Pineapple tidbits for my daughter. Some bread options right here. And our bags and foil and stuff like that right there. Down here I have paint, leftover paint, a thing of water, and a little bucket with chili and the food saver thingy, and also the potatoes. Over here I just put some waters and whatever little items that I had that fit in here. So that is it. Well guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.